How to fix WhatsApp photos not showing in gallery. Photos received in WhatsApp but not showing up in a phone's gallery. Let's fix that in just a few taps. In the specific chat, tap on the contact name and set media visibility to yes, so photos appear in a phone's gallery. On iPhones, go to WhatsApp settings, chats, and turn on save to camera roll right here. Some Android phones hide WhatsApp folders by default. Use a file manager and check WhatsApp media and WhatsApp images. Try restarting your iPhone or clearing WhatsApp cache on Android. That refreshes the media sync process. Photo issue solved. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video and if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.